If I stay a bit of a near, can I get a signature, please?
Okay.
Woo! Thank you.
Can we take another picture with you?
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers. Yeah, very well. I enjoyed it. Nice, yeah? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's fine. Yeah.
Hi guys, and welcome to What Are You Waiting For? We are back in the studio and we have a special guest, Jordan Charles. Also known as Jazzy.
Jazzy.
Okay, did I got it right?
Yeah,
You tried to beat me to it. But it was quick. How you guys feeling?
We're good. How are you, King?
I'm good.
Yeah, yeah, you sure?
What happened? You guys forgot your names?
It's Liao Liam, guys. It's Liao Liam Princess, okay?
And we're here today with Rihanna, Island Girl.
Right.
Guys, right, let's get straight into it. Yeah. Grammy-nominated artist 21 Savage was arrested on Sunday in Atlanta by US Immigration and Customs Enforcement.
But the tea is, guys, you know he was born in Newham in the UK?
No.
Yeah,
Newham?
Shout out to all the East London.
He's local.
Are you from East?
I'm not from East, no.
Oh, okay.
Putting that out there.
No, we still big up Newham.
But he moved to Atlanta when he was 7 and he grew up there. But in 2006, he was arrested by the ICE.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the Customs Enforcement. I think it's ICE.
Yeah.
But the 26-year-old, he has been living in America throughout his teenage life and his adult life, and he's lived there for quite a while, and he started his career there.
He might as well be American, you know?
Basically.
Let's just forget about it.
Never forget where you come from. Never forget. Even if you want to be like, East London one time.
He's got the US illegally. What was you going to say, Jordan?
He's got the accent down there. Like, come on. Like, he sounds like Atlanta through and through.
If you've been there for a long time, I think it sticks, American. It's just like Birmingham accent. It kind of sticks. It's kind of cool to kind of like know how to do. But he entered the US illegally in 2004. And
but what I don't understand is like the public are angry because it's like now that he's doing all these charities, all these organizations, it's like, why do you pick now to be like, you know what, get back to your country?
Yeah,
like, it doesn't make sense. It's like, just let the guy live, let him be who he needs to be. Like, he's actually doing a good thing for the community as well.
Yeah, just pretend you didn't see
just
that
pretend
one.
you didn't see.
For real.
do you guys know anyone who's been deported?
No, the only person, I don't know him personally, but remember the artist Cash? Cashtastic.
Oh, yeah. That was a big thing. It was a big thing back in the day,
He's still there. Yeah.
Jeez.
So only him. He's still in Jamaica.
There was even
They're not letting him out.
Dalton Harris.
Oh, yeah, the new X Factor winner, guys.
Oh, I didn't know who that is. My bad.
Last year, and they're basically saying he has to basically jump on a flight back to Jamaica once his visa runs out.
Wow, Simon. You can't help it. So you basically want it for
They mean business. Next day.
They really want to get him out.
My thing is that what came to light for you to know that he was an immigrant? Like, what did he say? Did he slip it in his bars and be like, what happened?
Who, 21?
Yeah.
I think he was trying to. I think he's only ever probably left the country once. I think he's probably travelled within America, but I think maybe I don't know. I think he was on their radar for a while.
Right.
That's what it was.
Apparently, he had applied for the visa, though, right?
Okay, cool.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, he probably did.
So what's their problem?
I don't know. Like, they just love taking down successful black men. Like,
I feel like Americans feel like they're above us. A bit prestige. Like, you know, we are privileged to have their visa. No. Like, no. We just want to come see the Big Apple. We just want to get a little bit fat. No, because it's true. When I went to America quickly, like, they was just on me, like, why do you want to come here? Why do you want to come here? Why should we give you this? But you just want to go there. Like,
do you know what this reminds me of, though, guys? This reminds me of, you know, like, when someone pops and then they find their old tweets. And then they bring it like my grandma, what she said about the black girl. It's crazy, guys. Let people live, okay?
Right, so, but the thing is, everyone on social media, it's a frenzy. There's celebrities arguing with celebrities, like Cardi B, Demi Lovato, there's Offset and Chris Brown are talking about fighting each other, and I think that's a deeper rooted issue. I don't think it's not, because Chris Brown posted...
They don't want to fight us civilians. We've got
video.
nothing to lose.
Yeah.
We've got nothing to
He
lose.
posted a video, and it was basically taking... He was mimicking the situation, almost.
Right.
It was Michael Dapper did this kind of remix, and it was 21 Savage rapping in like an English accent
Yeah.
Okay.
with Michael Dapper's voiceover.
Michael Dapper, come on.
And then Offset kind of commented and kind of came at Chris about it because I think they are friends. And then Chris is like, "Here's my address. Where you at? Come to my house. We'll fight."
Chris Brown, you know you got too much.
This
on
is
your
this is because of him getting deported.
Yeah.
down.
But it's not funny. Everyone keeps making memes and jokes. Like, it's a real life situation.
No,
like it's
seriously.
serious.
Yeah, as funny as it, you know.
I
as
find the memes are funny. Like let's not lie, but the situation itself is
Yeah,
not
but then
funny.
I feel like memes, like the situation could be serious, but a meme will just, I don't know, it would take away the seriousness of the situation.
Yeah.
It makes it so light-hearted. It makes it like,
Light-hearted.
oh, it's everybody else, someone else I might get deported next.
Oh God.
Or you might, you know, I'm not, you know,
Touch wood.
innocent. Obviously I'm not, but yeah, I'm just basically saying in general.
So is the problem here social media? Do you think? Because the only reason why the information got out, you know,
It's blown it out of proportion,
Yeah.
definitely,
Proportion.
It
definitely.
really has. But I think if anybody has been affected by any of these issues, anything to do with deportation, if you know someone who if you would like some advice, there's a helpline, 0300-123-2241. That is 0300-123-2241.
No.
See, I've got it right. Yeah, so that's the number, and call in, and it's a 24-hour citizen helpline, and feel free to call in and just seek advice and help.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, King, look at you. I'm so proud of you.
Why are you guys? It's something to do with me. Gosh, it's like they ain't never been nice in their lives. Somebody's doing something nice.
Just
We should take
own
him
it.
down his book.
Own it.
Okay, maybe, yeah, okay, I would thank you.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
But you've been a bit mean,
You know.
that guy.
I'm sorry, guys.
Life's too short.
I can't seem to get this on properly.
Oh.
But you know what? I'm gonna let it hang. There's song of the week. We've got a tune that's out by Soleil and CK. Have you guys listened
Love
to
it.
I love it.
Love
Have I
tonight.
listened to it?
How
We
does
are
it
gonna
go
play
again?
it for you guys.
I can't
No,
do the
no.
melody.
Well, we're back to play it, so you
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
you can get your dance moves on.
I can't explain it. You make me come alive. Your love is crazy. I lose my train of thought when you lay with me. Come on over, baby, hold me closer. My heart is tripping for you tonight.
Give me your all, give me your all. You can see it in my face, it be you I adore. I get brushing gritted teeth when you step through the door. Together they say we are goals, baby, you know the score.
That's right.
That Christmas morning kind of love. Call it John Legend, Chrissy Teigen kind of love. Wake up feeling blessed from the binding from above. Every time I see your messages, I'm lighting up because now you are the one that I think of. No matter what time it is, or where I go, what you do to me, I don't know.
I can't explain.
Guys, we're gonna open the lines. Please send in your texts and your calls. I think I just spat there. I'm sorry. We'll get that wiped. I hope you guys love the tune. I really do like the song. Big up to Soleil and CK. It's an amazing song. Lines are open. Send in your thoughts on the song and your thoughts on deportation, and just tell us if we look nice enough today.
Yeah, thank you.
But yeah.
He wants that compliment. He wants that. He wants that. All right. So today on our show we have Jordan. Hey! Jazzy George. He is our individual to inspire.
Yes.
Right. So I'm going to let you introduce yourself and tell the viewers what you do.
I am a model, a presenter, a creative, a little bit of an activist. I do it all really. I'm a hustler.
trades.
No, yeah, maybe, you know.
Yeah. Okay. So, what projects are you working on at the moment?
At the minute, I really, really, really want to get back to the presenting thing.
Nice.
Hence why I'm here as well.
Nice.
And
Yeah.
I want to get back on the YouTube thing. It's something I used to do. Used to having a team behind me for that stuff. So I'm going to try and go at it alone.
Okay.
It's a bit daunting, but, you know, I've got
Make
all
that
the
first,
motivation.
yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta just make that first step.
It seems like now's the time, you know, 2019, let's get it, you know,
Yeah.
I feel motivated, I made a lot of good change in my
Love
life,
it,
and like,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
it's no time like the present.
So you're just working on a few different things.
Yeah, always doing the modelling and stuff
Yeah.
as well. Just really seeing where I can take all of this stuff and trying to get more involved in the creative side rather than just be the face of things as well.
Yeah.
'cause I think that's important when you're bringing value to the table as well.
Definitely, definitely. So what keeps you going? You know, what keeps you going? What inspires you?
Loads of things, really. Geez, where do I start with that? Obviously, it's great to inspire others. I love what I do as well, and everything that I do, I feel like is bigger than just me as well, because I'm trying to give a voice to like marginalized people,
Definitely.
which is something that really keeps me going. Friends, family.
Yeah.
Obviously,
yeah.
it's nice to make a little bit of money here and there as well. So
Yeah,
there's
yeah,
a, there's
yeah,
a
yeah.
lot of it.
Do you,
there's a lot
you
of it
face
to
any?
it.
Do you face any barriers sometimes? Or?
Yeah, all the time. Like, but I think that's part of the fun, really. You know, like being different, I suppose, is sometimes something that I feel holds me back in modelling, but also something that also gives me the edge sometimes. So it's like a catch-22 kind of thing. You might not be right for this, but you might be right for that. And it's overcoming that, finding what you are right for, what you thrive at, what your skills are, and where you really shine, I guess.
Yeah, because being different is unique. You know,
It's
it's
great.
a passion. So, I got another question for you.
Oh, okay, hit me.
When did you begin to take your career seriously, or what you do, your craft?
I haven't started taking it seriously.
No, why?
Look, I'd say I probably started taking it seriously maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago. Properly when I was signed with like a small kind of modelling
I was
agency.
going to ask that. Yeah.
But
Okay.
I do think sometimes this might sound very counterproductive, but sometimes I find it's actually better to take yourself a little bit less seriously. Because
Oh yeah.
people
No,
are
definitely.
less
Yeah.
afraid of like the failure and like you're not holding yourself up to such high standards, and then when you're not doing that, I feel like that's when you really begin to strive.
Yeah, definitely. I love that.
Definitely. So something as well, which, you know, around the topic of BAME and, you know, black people, I feel like are really excelling in the creative world right now. They're really getting their shine, which they always have been shining, but I don't feel they've gotten the credit where it's due. Typical situation, you know, in castings, typically there's that ideology that white people normally tend to be casted mostly. So, if you had all power and all control, this was your casting, different people walked in right now, would you feel more obliged to only let black people be casted?
Ooh, yeah. I think if we do that, then we're not really solving the problem. We're just reversing the problem, you know. And then we're just gonna have like it's only gonna be or mostly black models that is getting booked for stuff. And I think everything that I do and everything that I've learned in life is about inclusivity. Like I want to be included in stuff, and it wouldn't be right for me to exclude people. Then I'll be a bit of a hypocrite, I think. But I want to see my black people winning. Like, definitely. But I feel like you know what's like. If it's only black people competing, it goes back to like a reference I've used before. Remember like the Negro leagues in baseball back in the day? Like you could be the best player in the Negro league, but you're still only the best Negro. You know what I'm saying? Like I want us to thrive against the white people, against all ethnicities.
Jordan, I'm so sorry to cut you short, but we do have to move on. But
it's
thank
love,
you
it's
so much.
Yeah, I was informative. I feel like I can take something from that.
Thank you for being honest
Oh, thanks,
and being, you know, sharing your opinions, you know.
Thank you so much.
Good on you, Jordan. Okay.
Wait, well, he's not going anywhere, guys. Quickly let them know where they can find you online.
Hit me on Instagram at Jazzy Jords. Yeah, I don't really do anything else.
JAZZY.
JORDZ.
Oh, that's yes. Good thing you took over. I was going to say S. Valentine's Day.
Oh, must be nice for those that had my name.
Damien!
Was it Damien?
It was Damien. It was Damien.
Yeah, oh my God.
It was Damien.
But yeah, this is really. can't. I was like, you was talking, Jordan. I was like, oh, this ear thing is like really.
mate.
Are you trying to hint to us that you want us to buy you something for Valentine? Are you trying to be?
Get me a new AirPods.
Are you Damien?
So what are you into, King? What are you looking for Valentine's Day? What are you expecting?
I'm going Shaka Zulu.
Oh,
Nice.
I wanted to kind of go Kent to a spa trip and do something nice.
that's cute.
Do it all.
I could do with a
Valentine.
spa.
What's your whole?
I've actually got a funeral to go to on Valentine's
Oh,
Day, so
that's-
it's very morbid, very, you know, not going to be celebrating it. But,
When you
you
get back
know,
now.
yeah, when I get back now, shit. But yeah, not doing too much.
I
Not
got
doing
some
too much.
questions because I know it's Valentine's Day. Everyone's getting into the festive season. There's loads of men out there that are disappearing. A lot of women that are out there that are appearing, and everyone's getting tighter. Some people are just, you know, it's a hard time and a great time for so many people out there. I have a question. I have a question. You need to think of one too.
Okay.
If I'm giving a question, you need to give a question. So I've got a question. How do you get over trust issues? Because there might be a couple out there that are trying to, you know, get through over this at a certain time, and it's Valentine's Day coming up, so we want you guys to kick the trust issues out the park.
Let me tell you something, ladies, men, stay off the socials, okay? Because that's when you're most likely to, you know, lurk. And that's when you start, like, your mind starts going through different things. Stay off of social media and just trust, okay? Stay off that. Please, I'm telling you. It
That
doesn't
was
do
a-
anything good for you. Damien, I know from Damien.
I think to get over trust issues, you should allow yourself to get over it, you know, before you jump into another situation where you don't know again, and then you could be in the same situation. So I just feel like give yourself time, you know, to know yourself and to know what you can and can't take, really. Yeah, and who you have around you in your circle.
What about you, Jordan?
Yeah, I don't think you should be with someone if you've got trust issues personally. And that's a radical view, like, don't get it twisted, but like, you will find someone out there who you trust and who gives you all the reason to trust them. So just find that person.
Right, definitely. Okay, guys, I got a question for all
Yeah,
of
so
you.
she
For
thought
you,
around.
you.
Brain works.
All right, okay. So how do you forgive and move on? Okay, I'm going to start with you, King, because I know you're possessive and all of that.
Well, I learn how to do so, I'll get it out. So now I'm joking.
How do you forgive and move on?
Yeah.
It's never going to happen again. You know? It's never going to happen again. You forgive and you move on. Like, it's just like, okay, it's cool. Things happen in life. It's like dropping your phone down the toilet, breaking your phone. You want to be angry at someone, but you can only be angry at yourself. But you're not really going to be angry at yourself. You know? So I think you forget it anyways. You know, you were supposed to forget these things. So.
How about you, Rihanna?
What's the question again?
How
do you forgive and move on?
Forgive and move on.
She's hesitant. She's like, I don't really forgive.
No, I do, but I just don't forget. But do you know what? I think the best way to forgive and move on is literally forgive and move on. It's just for the situation that it is. Just try to put it past you. There's always a bigger world out there. You know, life is going to throw so much more worse things at you. So just, what King said. Just.
How about you?
Yeah, I really agree with what King said as well. But I think, you can always forgive someone, but you're always going to be worrying in the back of your mind that it might happen again. So it's best to kind of call it quits, I think, depending on how bad it is.
I feel like I was just blocking you this like
Wow.
whole time. Guys, was
All
I?
the shine.
No, I wasn't. Wait, let's get.
We can't.
Wait,
I want my third today.
they're in their third today.
Okay, what's my take on, how do you forgive and move on? I definitely think the first step is definitely acceptance. Sometimes you don't want to accept the situation. And you know, like when you first go through a breakup, you just want to go out and party and you think that's going to make you forget the situation. Give yourself time to heal, accept the situation for what it is, and then just move on.
Yo, your eyelashes right now are the bomb.
Oh, okay, you don't do that to me.
And yours.
No, let's leave the spotlight on now because I'm feeling
yours.
No, guys.
Oh, come on, I don't get no eyelash compliment.
No, you get wicked.
Yours is natural too. It's not even like you had to.
See, now they're hating. Jordan, now they're hating.
Why do men always
No,
have
they
the
hate
longest
it.
eyelashes. It's actually unfair. Like, have you noticed?
Yeah,
Guys
sure.
always
Yeah,
have
they
long-
do. They do.
I burnt off
They
my
do.
eyelashes once.
Oh.
How did that even happen?
I'm
to you?
using a light to light a birthday cake.
Oh my god. Do you know, I've always had that fear though. You know when you're blowing it out
Yeah,
and then you're
yeah.
just like, oh.
Oh,
I
no.
see that thing on Twitter where her hair caught onto it and then it was all fight. I was like, girl, if you don't put that back, that weave, wow. That was really
And that must
crazy.
be hella flammable.
Yeah.
What
That
was I going to say
crazy.
again? Rihanna, you wanted to talk about something.
Yes.
Do you, let's not. We've already laughed. We've laughed. Let's not.
Come
Go
on.
for it. Just go for it. Just go for it.
No.
No. No.
Got ya! I'm joking.
I'm confused here.
No, I like doing. Sorry, I like doing that to people. I'm so sorry. I like doing that to people. I like. Oh, there's a secret knock at
There's
the
a
door.
secret visitor.
Are you expecting
Are
anyone?
we expecting anyone?
Mum.
Santa.
So do you guys believe in Valentine's Day?
Believe in it.
Do you believe in it?
It
Because you know how
exists.
it's like a social construct sometimes. It's like, okay, do we need to have do you really get involved with Valentine's Day?
This is gonna be my first ever time in my life having
Really?
a Valentine's.
Do you feel like you should go over and above Valentine's Day?
No.
No. Oh,
Because
why?
I feel like that's just show. Like you should love your partner and show him this every day. In my hair.
That's the
You're
truth.
right.
That is actually the truth.
You
yeah.
know? You see? Yeah.
It's like, I think like you can make your partner feel special, like, but it doesn't have to be over the top. Just a little candle and
Absolutely.
cook something, you know.
Do you know? Oh, you can cook.
A little bit.
Guys, so sorry for the you not knowing just for the second. I didn't think it would be a good time to bring it up, but what King was referring to was a rapper aged 28 named Cadet. He's a grime artist. Sadly passed away this morning as he was on his way to his gig. We shortly found out this news this morning, and it's shocking. If you don't know Cadet has some songs with Dino. He's really out there at the moment. He's doing his thing. He's an underrated
For a while.
legend.
He's been for a
He
while.
speaks the realness, and every time you hear Cadet, you would just think real bars. So, in remembrance of Cadet, we want to have a minute silence just for him in remembrance of his music and just for his family, and at this time of great deep loss.
Alright, we're gonna start.
Thank you guys if you partaked in that minute silence. Even for those who don't know Cadet, it's always sad to know that a young or any person has died. So we just keep on encouraging people to always just, be confident, believe in yourself, and just, live in the moment and do, live life. Our condolences are with you, Cadet, and rest in eternal peace.
I can't believe
Let's play his music
Yeah,
all week.
please.
All
Yeah,
week and all
yeah,
week.
yeah.
Do
Let's
you
do
remember
it.
when he first came to the scene with that? What song was it?
Stereotype.
Yes.
Stereotype. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Guys, let's see. He's made history. His
Yeah.
name lives on. So let's all do that for ourselves.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
and the people at
yeah.
home watching. Let's do that for ourselves.
Cadet.
I'm Bob.
Yeah. Don't forget the name. Don't forget it.
Don't
Don't.
forget,
Yeah.
guys. You can find me on social media. I am KINGALORE.
You had to.
I am King Galore, or you can search me on the internet, King. TSHIKGA.
For real.
Guys,
No,
so
you
do you know
needed to
what?
spell that.
I had to. Ignore me. It's been a long morning. I'm slow.
Follow up my Instagram, Nyawaleo, NYAW. I'm like you now, WAALEONE. Yeah.
It's the hard names to remember.
Guys, go check out my song on YouTube. The video will be out in the next few weeks. Reartistry with an X. That's RIARTISTRY, separately at X. And the song is called Royalty. And my Instagram is Reartistry with the X as well. So go follow me.
Big up. I've given
And
my
good.
Insta already,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's Jazzy George if you want it again, with a Z on the end.
Yes.
Z.
Are we still on?
Okay.
I can't explain it. You make me come alive. Your love is crazy. I lose my train of thought when you lay with me. Come on over, baby, hold me closer. My heart is tripping for you tonight.
Give me your all, give me your all. You can see it in my face, it be you I adore. I get brushing grinning teeth when you step through the door. Together they say we are goals, baby, you know the score.
That's right.
That Christmas morning kind of love. Call it John Legend, Chrissy Teigen kind of love. Wake up feeling blessed from the binding from above. Every time I see your messages, I'm lighting up because now you are the one that I think of. No matter what time it is or where I go, what you do to me, I don't know.
I can't explain. I can't explain it. You make me come alive. Your love is crazy. I lose my train of thought when you lay with me. Come on over, baby, hold me closer. My heart is tripping for you tonight.
Give me your all, give me your all. You can see it in my face, it be you I adore. I get brushing grinning teeth when you step through the door. Together they say we are goals, baby, you know the score.
That's right.
That Christmas morning kind of love. Call it John Legend, Chrissy Teigen kind of love. Wake up feeling blessed from the binding from above. Every time I see your messages, I'm lighting up because now you are the one that I think of. No matter what time it is or where I go, what you do to me, I don't know.